Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make tamarind toffee. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 250 grams of fresh tamarind pulp, 150 grams of sugar, and 50 milliliters of water. A small pinch of salt enhances the flavor, and a tablespoon of cornstarch helps with texture. Make sure you also have parchment paper and a baking sheet ready for the cooling process. These simple items are the foundation for delicious, tangy toffee. Now, let's start cooking our toffee base. In a non-stick saucepan, combine the tamarind pulp, sugar, water, and that pinch of salt. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously to prevent sticking. Continue stirring for about 15 minutes until it thickens considerably and develops a beautiful, glossy sheen. Finally, stir in your cornstarch slurry to achieve that perfect, chewy toffee consistency. This step is crucial for the final texture. With the mixture cooked, it's time to shape our toffee. Carefully pour the hot tamarind mixture onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. Use a spatula to spread it out evenly, aiming for a thickness of about 1/4 of an inch. This ensures consistent texture and chewiness. Let the toffee cool completely at room temperature for at least 2 hours, or until it's firm to the touch. Once set, you can easily cut it into small, delightful bite-sized pieces. Now for the final touches. You can dust your tamarind toffee pieces with a light coating of powdered sugar to prevent sticking and add a touch of sweetness. Store your delicious homemade toffee in an airtight container at room temperature, where it will stay fresh for several days. For more great content and deals, check the description below, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite. This tangy, sweet treat is perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. We hope you loved learning how to make this unique confection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.